Hi, my name is Kim Cullen, and I'm a personal injury attorney in Winter Park, Florida. We handle personal injury cases, and so part of what we do, part of our job, is to answer people's questions about personal injury cases. So I recently received a question from a friend of mine who isn't a client of ours that I thought might be interesting to share with our viewers. So my friend's question was, if I'm involved in an accident, could a passenger in my car have a claim against me even if I wasn't at fault? And so the simple answer to that question is maybe. So if a person is a passenger in your car, and even if it's not your fault, that person might be entitled to some of your insurance benefits, or the insurance benefits that you carry on your person or on your vehicle. So let me give you an example. So let's say you're involved in an accident, somebody pulls out directly in front of you and there's an impact, and you have a passenger in your vehicle. If the passenger in your vehicle doesn't own a vehicle of his or her own, then that passenger might be entitled to personal injury protection or PIP benefits that you carry on your car. So that's one example where they might be entitled to have a claim, not necessarily sue, but have a claim against you. The second example might be if the person who pulled out in front of you has no or very little bodily injury liability coverage, then the passenger in your car might be entitled to make an uninsured or underinsured motorist claim under your policy of insurance. So those are just two examples of how a passenger in your car might have claims against you. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that they'll sue you, doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to negatively affect your insurance or your insurance rates, because under Florida law it's not supposed to if it's not your fault. But nevertheless, that person might have a claim against you. So if you have any questions regarding your exposure or whether a person in your car might have a claim against you if you're involved in a motor vehicle accident with multiple people in your car or multiple claimants, please call us. We love to answer questions. Just all you have to do is call our office at 407-254-4901. You can text us at 407-644-4444. You can even email me to my personal email address, KMC, my initials, at cullen-hemphill.com. If you want answers to related questions, just check out our YouTube channel where we have hundreds of videos with subject matter and answers just like this one. Or you can even go to our website where we have hundreds of blog posts answering similar questions.